Well, there you are. Everybody's hungry. Let's make some dinner. Yeah, I know. Never happens at your house. So, what do we got? Well, I got a pan full of 3 slices of bacon cut up, frying up in a little bit of olive oil. Yeah, you can see it right over there. Isn't that exciting? Yeah, I started without you. So here you go, bacon, a little bit of oil, cooking in a pan. This is originally a fully vegetarian dish, but it's winter or cold or grumpy, so I added some bacon. I don't imagine I need to tell you how good that smells. It's our favorite. We like cherrywood bacon around here. And I got a shallot chopped up. Yeah, 1 shallot chopped up fine. Yeah, you can tell this is going to be bad. Starts off with bacon. And we got all that fat in there. What am I going to do with all of that? I know. Let's make a cheese sauce. So, to starters, I'm going to need some roux. Flour. You'll notice I buy the 1-pound flour bags. Tend to keep them in Ziplocs. Keeps the air out, keeps them fresh. They last forever. So a little bit of that. Oh, there we go. But yeah, we got old Razzleberry Putin saying his awful stuff. We got elections. We got now Trump. Oh God, how many times can the world come to an end in a week, you know? Okay. Yeah, the world comes to an end and I still gotta make food. I don't know. Maybe I'm just grumpy tonight. Does that seem right to you? Grumpy world. Alright, so slug of flour, bacon fat, shallots. Oh yeah, this is terrible. Okay, the flour and the fat are integrating nicely. In the oven, I got some Spuds, baked potatoes. Okay, here we go. Let me show you. How exciting is that, right? Yeah, bacon cooking up in a little flour with some fat. Okay, we are getting some roux and some fond. So, let's take care of the fond with some chicken stock. Yeah, cheese sauce, medium calorie. Oh, that's thickening up. So yeah, we're just feeling kind of grumpy tonight. So I added some bacon. Alright, let's get that off of there before it burns. Because I got to add some cream. Okay. In the world of live cooking... Oh, I forgot. I said chicken stock. Hurrah! In the world of cooking, things sometimes don't go exactly the way you think they should. Especially when you're recording on YouTube. So let's take it off the heat, throw in a little cream. And it's going to thicken up seriously here. Yep, it is. Oh, that is mud. Just the way it should be. That is a nice, thick base for a heavy cheese sauce. So let's do some more chicken stock and get that mixed up right. Okay, there we go. I was worried there. I thought my sauce had broken. But it's mixing up nicely now. Okay, good. Still very thick. I think I added too much flour. Welcome to Real World Live Cooking. A little extra chicken stock ought to take care of that though. You'll note I've avoided white wine tonight. And that's because it just isn't really a good thing for this one. You can do it if you want. I'm just choosing not to tonight. Because at the end of the night, what I'm basically making is what you might know as pot liquor or greens. That's right. Our magic ingredient tonight is arugula. So we are making bacon, cheddar, arugula, potatoes. And it's starting to come out very nicely, in spite of my initial clumsiness. A little black pepper. Let's do a little bit of oregano, or pardon me, nutmeg here if I can find it. Oh, nutmeg. Yeah, I confess, I'm a nutmeg snob. We do freshly ground nutmeg. That heat is too high. So yeah, congratulations, you're watching me cook dinner. We're eating simple tonight. Spuds and weeds. A little bit of bacon. You'll notice I'm putting in just a little bit of nutmeg. Just enough to add that lightness. Almost not enough to taste, to be honest with you, but it does. Okay. That pan is still too hot. Let's get it off the heat. Okay, that is one very thick sauce. I don't know if you can see this, but I definitely used too much flour tonight. And it's wonderful. I encourage you to taste everything you cook. So we're going to throw in a little more cream. Because we're basically making, oh, that's terrible. More sauce than expected. Magic ingredient, way too much shredded cheddar cheese. You'll notice the pan is off heat now. While I wait for the electric burner to cool down. Yeah, we use the expensive cheddar here. It costs too much, but it's truly wonderful. Oh, that is becoming a beautiful, creamy sauce. The cheese is melting in perfectly. Oh my heavens, I wish you could see this, but I'd end up pouring it out on the floor if I did. Oh. My heavens, that's rich. All right, so what are we doing? So, In the pan, I got 3 slices of bacon, a shallot cut up fine, a little olive oil, lots of bacon fat rendered. Let's see. Flour. Too much all-purpose flour. You'll know when you see it. Just throw in a handful and deal with it as it is required. A little bit of heavy cream and a little bit of chicken stock. And when the potatoes are ready, I will throw in my washed arugula. Yeah, I know. Oh yeah, don't forget salt, pepper, and nutmeg. If you want to be extreme, you can throw in a little bit of cayenne pepper, and that would not hurt, because it simply intensifies the flavors. So, that's it. Spuds and weeds with a little bit of bacon for good luck. Dinner. It's easy, it's simple, it's just a plate of food. Nothing to be intimidated about, nothing to fear, and it can be cheap if you do it right. That's it. This is social media. Please be good social citizens and subscribe, like, share, all of that good stuff. And yeah, this is what we're having for dinner. Baked potatoes, cheese sauce with bacon and arugula. Thank you and goodbye.